Let's start with an easy one. How many people went camping? Take a close look at the picture. The kids are preparing everything for the camping trip. Do you see any signs or indications to identify how many people went camping? Four people went camping. There are 4 dish sets and 4 names in the list on the tree. Paul was standing on a 60 feet ladder. He slipped from the ladder and fell to the ground, but he didn't get badly injured. How is this possible? Paul was standing on the bottom rung of the ladder.